What's up there, YouTube? Covered Outdoors, everything outdoorsy, and yet another one. We are out here. We're gonna be camping tonight. So I pitched my Gazelle tent, and yeah, so you all know Earl from a couple of my videos. I mentioned him. That's his truck, and then that's his setup with him and Kim. And then they got this little setup here to cook. And we show you the campgrounds, if you will. Actually, this is a person's house. So take it in. Take it in. RV after RV. Oh yeah. They're gonna be living good tonight. But at least it's gonna get down to, I think, 68, so it'll be okay. There's fish in this pond, but you see him jumping. Did you just see him jumping? Okay. All right. All right, everybody is fed. Now everybody's starting to partake in beverages and card games and a little bit of tutelage over here going on with the youngsters learning how to fish.
There we go.
And he's already caught 2 fish. All right, YouTube. So everything is kind of winding down, but not necessarily, because now it's fireworks time. Technicians are out there setting it up, getting ready. Here we go. He's running away, so all right, enjoy. Oh, something went over. Oh, I don't think that. Oh, wait a minute. Are they supposed to be going off on the ground? Was that it? Maybe that's the first round. All right, round 2. Here we go. Here we go. And you know, we had to start a fire. Oh yeah.
Look, Lorraine, I forgot I had one tied. I forgot all about that. Alex, that made you stick it in your pocket.
All right, YouTube. I'm in my tent. I got some macaroni and cheese. I don't know if you can see it. I don't even know. I got some macaroni and cheese. I'm eating, and I'm about to go to sleep. So, fireworks display was exceptional. Yeah, I only gave you a couple of snippets, but it was fantastic. And I will see you all in the morning. Have a good night. Good morning, YouTube. It's the day after. Second time camping. And no rain this time. Had a great time. It's time to start packing up. It's sleeping bag already packed up. And yeah, we're getting ready to leave. So, Macabre Outdoors, everything outdoorsy. Until next time.